Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up data retention settings using no-code privacy tools, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by accessing the no-code privacy tool of your choice. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the section dedicated to data retention settings. Click on the Data Retention tab. Review the current data retention policies in place. Identify which data categories require adjustments. For each category, check the existing retention period. Decide on the new retention period that aligns with your compliance requirements. Enter the new retention period in the designated input field. If available, choose to apply these settings to specific user groups. Look for an Apply Changes button. Click on Apply Changes to save your new settings. Review any confirmation messages that appear. Check for a summary of changes to ensure accuracy. If your tool provides it, enable automated data deletion reminders. Assess any additional options, such as notifications or reporting tools. Once all settings are confirmed, log out of your account. Test the new data retention settings by simulating data entry. Monitor the tool over time to ensure compliance with the new settings. Make necessary adjustments as needed based on the results. Stay updated with any changes in privacy regulations that may affect your settings. Document the new data retention policies for future reference. This ensures your team is informed and compliant. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.